Welcome to my channel Code with Jay. Today we will be looking to create this awesome Glass Morphism Login form layout. This is the final layout we will be designing with HTML and CSS. I will start by creating two files, index.html and style.css. So in index.html, I will bootstrap project by exclamation and enter, and it will give us the HTML layout. And I will change the title to Glass Morphism. First, we will lay out HTML. We will start with div container. And then add the form tag. First we'll add the header. So I will link style.css here. First we'll lay out the HTML and then we'll add the styling. I would add the Google fonts. So for icons, I will be using feather icon, so I will add that as well. And to make feather icons work, we need to add the script tag here, that is feather.replace, that I am adding right now. I will explain later what this does when we use feather icon. So now let's add from control. We will be adding the icon first, so that is I data feather and icon name @sign and close the tag. So here I tag will be replaced by feather icon svg by feather.replace. We'll add input type of email, placeholder email, and close the tag. I will duplicate this with shift option and change the feather icon from @sign to key and type to password and placeholder to password. Add input button. Value. Sign in and close the input. So our HTML layout is ready. So let's open it with live server. Let's open it with the code editor side by side. Now let's work on styling. We'll first start with body. Let's apply background with radial gradient. I will apply the shade of purple. Mean height 100 VH. Font family, I like Poppins. We included the Google fonts for that. Display flags. Justify content center and align item center. Now save it and everything is in center. Give the width of the container. width 380, margin auto. That now let's style the form element. Form, display flags, flags direction, column, because we want everything in the column layout, and we'll give the background. So now you start seeing this transparent background. We'll give some padding to this, padding 3 rem. So we'll give some border radius 12 pixel. Now we will apply border left and border top, so it gives kind of glass effect. Border left 1 pixel, solid, RGBA, and we'll use we'll use 0.5, so it's more kind of white, and same will apply border top. So now I save it, and you see now it is giving the kind of glass effect. Now we will add some background blur. For that we will be using backdrop filter. Blur 15 pixel. We'll give box shadow 20 pixel, 20 pixel, 40 pixel, minus 6 pixel, and color of RGBA 0,0,0 means black, and we'll add opacity of 40%. And we'll align everything in center, so text align center. Now this glass layout is coming together nicely, and now we will be styling this login header. For that we'll target H1 and give the color of white, opacity 80%, text transform uppercase, margin top 0, margin bottom 2 rem, and we'll give text shadow of 2 pixel, 2 pixel, 4 pixel, and color of RGBA 40% black, and save. And this login text is looking nice. Now we will be styling the form control. Form control, display flags, and position relative. let's style the input first. Flex 1 because we want the input to take the full width. Background transparent. Padding of 1 rem. Padding left 35 pixel. Margin bottom 2 rem. Border none. Border radius 200 pixel. So let's save this. Now we'll give border to this input, same like how we give this left and on top. So same thing we will do and save. Now we are getting this nice effect, but we still need this here, right? So for that we'll add the box shadow. Now it is coming together nicely. So now to give the glass effect we need to give background blur. So we'll use backdrop filter to give the background blur and save, and it is coming nicely. Text color white. And we'll give text shadow same like here. I will copy from here and paste and save. So it is coming along nicely. Now let's style this icon to fit beside this email. So we'll target SVG, position absolute, height of 16 pixel, width of 16 pixel. We'll give top 15 pixel, left 13 pixel, and color of white, and save, and it is looking nice. Now let's change the color of placeholder. So for that, input and colon placeholder. To change the placeholder color, we'll add color of white and text shadow. I will copy from here and give the text shadow and save, and it is looking nice now. So now we'll remove the extra padding from this button and add the margin on the top and convert the text to uppercase. So for that we'll select form and then input, the type equal to button. Here we'll do margin top 1 rem, padding left of 1 rem, and text transform to uppercase. Save. Now we want to give some hover effect to this email and password. So for that we'll target form and input, and on hover we'll change background to RGBA, a little bit lighter. Apply box shadow off, 4 pixel, 4 pixel, 60 pixel, 8 pixel, and RGBA 40% of black. Save, and let's look on the hover effect. Nice. Also we will be giving same effect on focus as well, so let's add this on focus and save. So on focus, yeah, we are getting this effect. You see there is blue and white outline around this input, so we want to remove that. For that, come here and outline and now it is good. This is my first video. If you have any suggestion, please leave me comment, and if you like this tutorial, please give thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will be coming out with lot of other front end related videos. Till then, keep designing. Thank you.